Welcome to Jaja Academy Lahore. In this lecture, I'll discuss different types of data. Let's start with defining data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Raw facts and figures means unprocessed data. Now let's see different types of data. Text data. The data you can see on this whole screen is an example of text data. This type of data contains words, sentences, and paragraphs. It may also consist of alphabets, numeric digits, and special characters. The data is normally stored as ASCII code format. ASCII codes are standard codes that are assigned to every letter, every digit, every alphabet, and to every special character that is stored in computer. So the text data is normally stored as ASCII code format. The examples are Walmart, Pakistan, 475, Satellite Town, Lahore, etc. All these are examples of text data. The other form of data is numeric data. Numeric data means numbers. Numeric data consists of digits from 0 to 9. So all numbers, the whole counting is an example of numeric data. There are two types of numeric data, integer data and real data. The integer data contains whole numbers only. Whole numbers means without having decimal points, such as 459, minus 85, 66, minus 2354, etc. So integer data may contain positive or negative values, but the numbers should be whole numbers. Integer data cannot contain decimal point numbers. The other type is real data. Real data contains values or numbers having decimal point, such as 2.99, minus 8.66, 6483.5462, etc. So numeric data is a collection of integer data and real data. The next type of data is image data. Image data consists of images, pictures, snapshots, charts, graphs, and freehand drawings. This type of data is transmitted in the form of contiguous bits. As we know that computer cannot transmit data other than binary form, so every type of data, whether it is image or audio or video data, every type of data is transmitted in the form of bits. The next type is audio data. This type of data includes voice or sound. So before transmitting the sound or voice, it must be converted into digital signals. The next type of data is video data. As we know, video creates actions and movements, and video can be produced by using a camera, or it can be a combination of images shown so speedily that they seem like a video. In both forms, the video has to be converted into digital signals before transmission. These were the different types of data. Thank you for watching. For more computer science lectures for ICS Part 1 and Part 2, subscribe to my channel.